Every goal needs a plan. That's what project management is all about. But in today's digital world, we don't just manage with sticky notes. We use powerful tools. What is project management? Project management is the process of planning, organizing, and tracking tasks to reach a goal. On time and within budget. Key components, whether it's launching a website or running a marketing campaign. Most projects include a clear objective, a timeline, a team, tasks, and milestones. A deadline. Modern tools you should know. Digital tools like Trello, Asana, Notion, or ClickUp help organize everything in one place. You can assign tasks, set due dates, collaborate with your team, even track progress in real time. Example, imagine planning a product launch. With a digital tool, you can break down the tasks, assign team members, set deadlines, get notifications, and updates instantly. No chaos, just clarity. Why IT matters. Project management helps reduce stress, avoid missed deadlines, and boost productivity. And when you use digital tools, it becomes more visual, collaborative, and flexible. Closing. Whether you're managing work, studies, or personal goals, learn project management basics and use the right tools. Because getting things done isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter.